Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to open notification bar, click and hold Bluetooth icon, turn on the Bluetooth, and right now our smartphone is looking for the Bluetooth devices. And let me turn on the Bluetooth on my Huawei P30 Pro. Okay, I turn it on. So right now our Mi 10 probably will find my smartphone. Let's refresh again. Okay, so as you can see, this smartphone struggled a little bit with the... Okay, here it is. But it has a problem for a few moments, right? So you have to try all of the times, refresh, and just waiting for the second smartphone. You have to be patient, yeah. And right now, if you want to connect, tap on the P30 Pro or your smartphone name, click on the pair, and what is going on? Why it takes so long? Okay, and that's it, guys. So they probably going to fix it in the new updates, but it's working, right? Not perfectly, but it's working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.